Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a virtual assistant business with Belay step by step clearly. Start by understanding what a virtual assistant does. A virtual assistant provides online administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. Research the services you want to offer, such as email management, scheduling, or social media assistance. Identify your target market, such as small businesses, freelancers, or busy professionals. Next, create a business plan outlining your goals and strategies. Determine your pricing structure based on industry standards and your financial goals. Set up your workspace to ensure it is comfortable and productivity friendly. Choose a business name that reflects your services and is easy to remember. Register your business online to establish your presence. Create a professional website showcasing your services and experience. Utilize social media platforms to market your business and connect with potential clients. Join online communities and forums related to virtual assistants to network and learn from others. Consider signing up with a virtual assistant agency like Belay to gain access to clients. Prepare your resume and portfolio to demonstrate your skills and experience. Start applying for positions or contracts that match your expertise. Make sure to communicate clearly with clients about your availability and services. Keep a record of your tasks and manage your time effectively. Seek feedback from clients to improve your services and build credibility. As your business grows, consider expanding your service offerings. Always stay updated on industry trends and technology to maintain your competitive edge. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful virtual assistant business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.